Welcome. This is your girl, Sabina, formerly known as Pave Beauty here on YouTube. Guys, you know what we do. We are all about fashion on affordable prices. We believe that you can look gorgeous without breaking your bank. Fashion shouldn't be about how much, but how well. So today, like I said, we're back with another haul. But guys, it is a Shein haul. So surprisingly, I tried Shein again, and this time around, I am truly satisfied with everything I got. It's not a long haul, it's a short one, but I think I really love every piece, so I thought I would share with you. First, for Shein haul, we will start up with accessory. So for accessory, I got me few jewelry. As you know, every time I go Shein, because the pieces are so affordable, I do not hesitate on picking up one or two items. We're going to first start up with this. I got this initial necklace, and I absolutely love it. The locket, which is the actual name, is really heavy. It's not lightweight. I mean, it's really heavy. And you have this chain that have like a little, I don't know, it's like a fake diamond or just a bomb. It is really nice. So you can wear this short or you can wear this long. The next one I pick up is another small or little diamond access necklace. Really cute. I think this is really a beautiful, simple, everyday. You just throw this on your neck kind of necklace. I love it. I have similar one like this in a 14 karat, but this can just be mine. If I just feel like wearing something and then if I lose it, I'm not crying over it. So for this particular necklace, which is this one right here, this one with the initial, it was $3.59. So for $4, y'all, I mean, really pretty. And for the smallest one, oh, it was $3. So it was $1.50 for one because I ended up buying two unintentionally. So I'm gonna give one away. But it's really is a real small dainty necklace that you can just wear and go about your business and don't worry about it. The next jewelry I have from Shein is this key and lock necklace. And it have this kind of like diamond accent necklace on the locket. I just feel like this is another everyday summer and I don't feel like it. I just throw this on me and kind of like dress. It also have a diamond accent on the lock and the key. And this lock and key was actually for $2.24. Next we have here is another necklace. This is a heart-shaped necklace. This one is stainless steel. So stainless steel kind of hold up the value for a little bit. And it's just an open heart necklace that you can wear either long or short as well. And on here it just says Shein, I believe. And this heart necklace was for $2.32. Another piece we have is this anklet. This one is just your Zodiac sign, even though I don't believe in it, but I am a Capricorn. I'm a December born, so I got me the Capricorn anklet. I just love the name, the way it written on it. And this anklet was for $1.40. So for $1.40, guys, if you lose it, like I said, you're not worried about it, but you still look stylish. You still look like you pay so much for these items when you pay less than $5. I mean, this is unheard of, right? So we have no excuse, guys, no excuse that we cannot be at least dressed up a little bit during the summer. Next for the jewelry is this ring. So now I got the earrings, I got the ring, and I also have the bracelet to this. I will not try to wear them as a whole set. I think that's just going to be too overwhelming. But I can actually wear the ring on another finger, the bracelet on another finger, break it up a little bit. When I'm ready to wear the necklace, maybe I would just wear the necklace. And don't wear the earring because they are big. They are like statement piece. So I don't just want to be too overwhelmed when wearing them. But these pieces are really pretty. The ring was for bracelet was $239 and the ring was $191. And I almost forgot this one I have in my ear. I think from the jewelry, this is my pick right here. Beautiful stud earring. It have my favorite color. It have green. It also have pink, so it have a lot of summer color. And this particular earring was for $91. So come on, y'all. $91, right? So we can be stylish for this spring and summer. I really love it. I love stud earring because it kind of makes, it's not heavy on my ear. My ear is too sensitive to keep anything heavy in it. So earring like this, I really like them. It make you don't look like, oh, I'm not putting no effort. It's like kind of like a effortless jewelry. So when you put them together, people think you put a lot of effort in it. All that you did was pay your $2, less than $2 earring, put it in your ear, put a two necklace, and you moving them. For the next accessory, guys, is this sunglasses. I have 4 of them. So all 4 of them came to total of like $6. I had 3 that came in one pack. I didn't realize, and I had one extra one on the side. So it came up to, it's all 4. It's the same sunglasses. But like I said, when I ordered it, I wasn't paying much of attention. And sometimes in your car, Shein have some things already, take up. And if you don't kind of scroll down, you just end up buying 2 or 3 of the same thing. But this one of them was for $1.54. And then the pack of 3 was for $3. And the pack of 3 was for $3.78. So where on this planet will you go and see a pack of 3 sunglasses for less than $4? So guys, hit Shein, grab you something. It was this pack of 3 for $3.58. Grab you something from Shein and look fabulous. And this is like a designer dupe. I forgot which one of the designer brand makes a dupe like this, but this is a absolute designer dupe. This is the black on. This one is a tiger color. And it's kind of like, you can see through it, right? It's like translucent. And the next one here is the pink color. Surprisingly, I really like this pink color sunglasses. Oh my God, you see everything. You can wear this for indoor concert. You can wear this for indoor activities. You don't have to take it out. You stylish. You know, you kind of cute, sitting your little cute set over there. And the last one is this translucent or transparent, like a creamish or color. Oh, love this as well. This is really pretty. So yeah. So the next accessory is this shoe, y'all. I got this shoe. The one I wanted was sold out, and this one came out as a similar one. The only thing I don't like about this is kind of shedding a lot. Hopefully the shedding goes away, but look at these shoes. This is a designer dupe. Also can't remember which brand I'm making a dupe like this. The shoe is cute. The only thing I would say, if you buy these shoes, you gotta be very careful when you're walking, because when I try it on, it kind of skips line because this right here. But it is cute though. It is cute. Yeah. So that shoe was $25. And if I didn't show you guys up close, and it was $25. The next piece I have is this like a little romper I'm wearing right now. I'll show a colorway of this. But this romper I got for, I believe it was $11. And I kind of really like it. It's the print of it for me. The print, I love the print from this romper. It's very lightweight, so it's easy to just throw this on and just run to do grocery. I don't have to think about it. Just throw it on, put a little shirt on it, and gone I am. That's the reason for some of this. Or if you're not doing grocery, you can actually wear this if you want to wear this to a movie night, like a quiet movie night. You can wear this to go for like a lunch or brunch. I'm telling you, unless you're too fancy and you want to, but you can dress this up, dress this down. I typically going to be dressing this down. This is going to be my go-to pickup and just run to the grocery store. And like I said, I paid $11.99 for it, and it is not all that bad. The next dress I'm going to pick up here, give you the price before I pick up the dress. The dress was for $17.83. I got it in the large. It's my only regret. I'm going to order another color of this dress in the medium because I think the medium would fit a little bit better. I did get it in the large. Gain a little bit of weight, y'all. But this dress is really pretty. It's a maxi floor length dress. It's kind of long sleeve, but it is not thick to the point that you need to feel like you're going to be really hot during the summer. You can dress this up down like for casually, or you can actually dress this up. When I style it for you guys, I dress it up. But there's a versatility to this particular piece. It can be worn up, it can be worn down. I would say stick with your normal size with this one if you're going to order it, because like I said, it's still large and it feels a little bit big. Even though it's comfortable, I feel a little bit more comfortable in it, but you can actually tell that it is large. I will dress this up. How will I dress this up? Like I said, I will dress this down. Just going for a movie night, I'll dress this down. Maybe if I want to go have brunch with my girls, I would dress this up, go to somebody's wedding with this. I would dress this up and go to a church. Even though I have a split on the side, the split is not as deep as some of the other dresses that I have. So this I would take to church with me, this I would take to somebody's wedding, and this I would take to an actual fancy dining area if I should. And like I said, for less than $20, you turn your head in this dress, right? The next piece that I got is this top. I love it. I love it. I guess it's because of the color. I also love the prints in this. This particular Shein haul did not disappoint me at all. Mostly, I stopped shopping Shein because I was disappointed in what I was getting, but this absolutely did it. Love it. Love the print. I love the detail up front. This just like, yeah. This titty, I'm trying to see which size I got this in. I'm not sure, but I have it here. I actually got it in the medium, and it fits perfect. And they call this, it's by the Shein Pave. It's a multi-layer ruffle trim and cutout decal stand up top in mint green, and I paid $11.82 for this. Absolutely gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. The next one I bought, guys, is this jeans, and I am so surprised that I love an actual jeans from Shein. This just remind me about something that Chanel will make. It just gave me that designer vibe. It's like a Becky wide leg jeans. The only downside I have to it, even though it is not too short, I wish it was floor length. Like floor length will going to give you that fit and feel. Oh my god, but it is still pretty. It's from the Shein icon brand, and I got this in US 30 because I do wear 29, but I wanted it to be a little bit free, and I was hoping it would be a little bit longer when I get like a bigger size. It still fits nicely, but I wish it was just a little bit tight longer. But it's wide leg. It have this like a little arrow. I don't know what that arrow means, but I just love the print aspect. It's a pretty jeans, and this is the back. I love it, absolutely love it. And this jeans, I paid, oh wow, $14.79. And some of my designer jeans that I pay hundreds of dollars for, this jeans is comparable to it. I kid you not. I have jeans like it's comparable to it. Like it feels like 100% cotton. I love it. I love it. I will be checking out that brand in Shein and see if I can find other amazing pieces. But not the least is my absolute showstopper in this haul. I had this top, guys. If you get nothing, my two pick from this haul would be that jeans. But if you don't want that jeans, I advise that you get this. Hopefully they still have it. I am going to try to link this for you guys, and I pray they still have it. This is a how you call this, tube top. It's not a tube top, but I'm trying to find the word. Sorry, I blank out. But absolutely love this sleeve. Look, for the price, when I saw the price, I like, no, this is not true. If I found this top in Nordstrom Rack, this top would be selling for $150. I kid you not. I go to Nordstrom Rack, I do all the shopping. If a designer make this particular top, it will be going for the thousand, at least $600 to $1,000. This is by the Shein X brand, and I got this in the large. I don't regret getting it in the large. It have a few little stitching here, which nothing on needle and thread cannot take up. But when I say I'm going to see if they have a skirt or if they have a pants for this, I had this. I had this. I'm going to look for like a gold pants to go with this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. So in my opinion, maybe go a size higher because I am a medium, but I got a large. I'm pretty sure the medium will have fit, but it'll be uncomfortable. This just fit perfectly. Love it. This is the back, and this is the front. Love it. I love it. So for that top, can you believe, guys? Can you guess how much I paid for this? Can you guess? $13.70, less than $15 for this absolute gorgeous top. All right, guys, this is it for the haul. I hope you like what I found for every one of us. Please let me know which one was your favorite. Are you going to be buying anything? I really recommend, guys, if you can get that top and that jeans, that's my recommendation for you. But thank you again, like I said, to everyone that took the time and subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. To all of my old subscribers, you are not forgotten. I appreciate you. Thank you for holding up with me. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support, guys. Please don't forget to like, share the video, guys. Encourage your friends, your families to join this channel. Let's make this happen. And until next time, I will see you in the next one. Bye, love.